Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to conserve bandwidth using the Google Chrome in Android mobile. So if you open Google Chrome, if you go to settings, you have an option called data saver. If you see, you need to enable this data saver, so it will start conserving your bandwidth. So from 9th October to 7th November, I have not browsed much more, but it consumed about 3 MB of data. I have browsed totally of about 18 MB, but after compression, my Google Chrome has reached about 15 MB of data. So this option will be useful for some of the persons who have only limited data connectivity. So if you off, you can see that Google Chrome will use a Google service to compress pages to visit before downloading them. So if you see, it will automatically download from the Google Chrome server, so you don't need to worry about. So it will be safe for you. Just enable it, and this is how you will conserve the data.